elite. Like you've probably seen all of these news reports in the last couple of weeks about all of these companies spending hundreds of millions of dollars on
Yeah.
AI.
Yeah.
They're firing their employees and hiring AI, which is proving to be more expensive than the employees they fired. It's ridiculous, right? But this is the Pluto and Aquarius question.
Yeah.
Pluto and Aquarius is people, you have to take your power back.
And also, I think if you look at the America's pattern, America tried to do the right thing. They took
Mhm.
like 5 steps forward, then 2 steps
Mm.
back, right?
Yep.
It has
Yep.
always slithered towards the right decision, but like that. Like for example, during the Revolutionary War, they did that, but the freedom was that for everybody? No, it was only for people who owned land and who
Yeah.
and looked in a certain way, and then it got the freedom but not for the everybody. Then the Civil War, the most bloodiest war you have ever fought, it is also for like emancipation of the
Mhm.
slave, but then it didn't give
Mm.
voting rights
Mhm.
to women, right? That took
Mhm.
like another whatever number of years. So it
Mhm.
has tried to do the right thing but slithered back like 3 steps back, like that. So I do think that even with this whole AI thing, which I know it's a big discourse, there is good points on both sides. And I am a very technology enthusiast person, so I am
Mhm.
kind of almost always by the side of technology because I think technology can do wonders if used correctly. And since humans are involved, there is always gonna be misuse, right? That
Yep.
is always gonna be. We have to be very discerning about how we use certain technology, like internet. There is like abuse of children pictures on the internet. Like are we being
Mhm.
able to stop it? Like if you stop it, five more sprung up from somewhere else, right? So I think it is ongoing battle. And even with the AI, I do think that the thing about, like, when it was like the immigrants taking our job, or like this person taking, now it is the AI taking our job situation. Like it has just been replaced by the tool, right? So I
Yep.
think this is where we have to kind of like see, like, why are we replacing it with AI? Like it's AI is stupid unless a human actually runs it, right?